Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity. The first important opportunity from the Siemens Gamesa, and they are hiring for the intern role, and that is tool developer. So job location will be Karnataka, Bangalore, and company is this organization Wind Power, and you will work on a technology or tech domain. So experience level freshers means they clearly mention earlier professionals are eligible. Now, what are the key responsibility? You will collaborate with the team to add new functionality, actively support interaction with the individual, and develop high quality code with appropriate testing and all those things. So what are the qualifications and skills required? You should have strong programming skill, preferably in MATLAB and Python. So if you have done Python and other thing, then it is preferred but not mandatory. Again saying, you should have proficiency in MS Office tools such as the MS PowerPoint, Word and all things. Strong communication skill with proficiency in English, reading and writing both. And you should be adaptive in working international and diverse environment. So if you are enthusiastic and self-driven and result-oriented person, then this is a wonderful opportunity you can apply. For applying, just click here apply now. Then you will direct to a new page. Just give all your set up your profile and give all the details. You will basically registered, and this is wonderful opportunity. Everyone should apply. Coming to next important opportunity, that is again a wonderful opportunity from the IBM, and they have announced another hiring for the role of the cloud full stack developer. So job location will be Hyderabad, Telangana, and professionals. Okay, so full stack developer, and required education is bachelor degree and preferred education is master degree. So if you have exposure to some backend development, familiarity with designing and all those things, then you can apply for this. And they have clearly mentioned the experience means you should have some experience. So if you have some, then you can apply. Okay, and for the fresher also, still IBM is accepting the responses. So if you haven't applied or if you haven't gone through it, then you can go. Otherwise you will say that in thumbnail you have written that freshers are eligible. So I was talking about the another job too, that is the IBM hiring, this hiring. So go through that video. Okay, and that is means freshers are eligible for that. Coming to next important opportunity from the DHL, and they are hiring for the role means if you have some knowledge of SQL and all those things, then you can apply for this. So this will be your responsibility. You will develop and implement data migration, ensure data security, and database and knowledge is must. So what are the qualifications? So graduates bachelor degree from recognized university in any discipline. So if you are from any discipline, but if you have some tech stacks means proficiency in SQL or SQL server, then you are eligible for this. You should have in-depth knowledge of database principles, how it works and all those things, then you can apply for this. And this is again saying wonderful opportunity because DHL is a global organization and job location will be Mumbai, Maharashtra. Friends, if you have been selected for any interview, want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can consult us and you can fill the form. We will provide you dedicated support which will basically boost your confidence in real interview. Coming to next important opportunity from the Aspora, and they are hiring for the role of front end engineer intern, and job location is Bangalore. So this is a intern type position, and based on your performance it might be converted to PPO. So again saying friends, keep applying for various off campus drive. I regularly post lots of job updates here, and make sure to apply with updated resume. That is the good things, and that's the main reason that your resume is not getting selected. Okay, so what we accept, you should have strong understanding of JavaScript fundamental, OOPS concept, and ability to take ownership of product, knowledge of state management, and you will be a good fit if you have some knowledge of JavaScript, React.js, and all those things. And if you have some working knowledge on REST API, then this will be a wonderful opportunity. So this will be your, you can say, expectation from them, that you will have immersive learning experience, hands-on ownership, stay to the forefront, and this growth and all opportunity will be there. So for applying, just click apply now and you will get the things. Coming to last important opportunity from the NEC, they are hiring for the role of DevOps engineer freshers, and NEC corporation is a good company and job location is Noida, and this is a hybrid role means you have to work from home and as well as office. So that all things. Now key responsibility, you will deploy and manage the application on Red Hat OpenShift, and you will work with Docker, Kubernetes and OpenShift. So required skill, you should have strong understanding of Linux fundamental, file system hierarchy, user and group management, process management means operating system का आपका अच्छा concept रहना चाहिए. You should have some knowledge of Git, GitHub and CI/CD concept. So preferred skill good to have if you have some knowledge of Red Hat, OpenShift or AWS Azure. It means this is preferred. If you have, then this will be a plus point, but if you don't have, then no need to worry, you can still apply. And education qualification, you should have done bachelor degree in computer science, IT or related field. Freshers are eligible for this, they have clearly mentioned, so you can apply for that. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I will be very happy to help you. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.